Ever wonder why some small living rooms instantly feel bright, open, and welcoming, while others just feel cramped and dark? Here's the secret. It's not about bigger furniture or expensive renovations. It's about how you use lighting and, yes, a touch of mirrors too. Today, I'll show you how to use smart lighting strategies to transform your small living room into a space that feels twice its size. Let's start with the problem. Small living rooms often feel tight for one big reason: poor lighting. One overhead bulb leaves shadows in the corners. Heavy drapes block natural light, and dark furniture absorbs what little light you do have. The result? A room that feels flat and uninspired. But here's the good news. When you control the light, you control the mood and perception of your room. Light has the power to stretch walls, lift ceilings, and make your home feel more inviting. Now start with the golden rule: layer your lighting. Most people stop at a single ceiling fixture, but one light creates harsh shadows and makes the room feel smaller. Instead, you want 3 layers. Ambient lighting for overall brightness, like a ceiling light or recessed lights. Task lighting for focus, floor lamps or table lamps where you read, work, or relax. Accent lighting for drama, wall sconces, picture lights, or small spotlights to highlight art or architectural details. When you mix these, your room feels balanced and full of depth. Every corner gets attention and the space feels alive. Now, what if your living room is really tight? Don't worry, there are clever options. Recessed lights or flush mount fixtures provide an overhead glow without occupying space. Wall sconces save floor and table space, while also adding vertical lines that make walls feel taller. Slim floor lamps, such as arc lamps or torchieres, tuck into corners and throw light upward, creating a sense of height. Think of lighting as part of your furniture plan. Each fixture doesn't just add light, it also shapes how open your room feels. Here's something most people overlook: color temperature. Warm light, around 2700 to 3000 Kelvin, gives a cozy golden glow, perfect for evenings and relaxing. Cooler light, closer to daylight, feels crisp and energizing, great for mornings or modern spaces. Want flexibility? Go for dimmable LEDs or smart bulbs. With one tap, you can turn a bright, energetic living room into a soft, cozy retreat. That's the power of light. It's not just about brightness, it's about atmosphere. Now let's take it up a notch with some advanced tricks. Uplighting. Use floor lamps or sconces that shine upward. This draws the eye to the ceiling and instantly makes the room feel taller. LED strip lighting. Hide strips under shelves, behind the TV, or even under your sofa. That subtle glow makes furniture feel like it's floating. It's modern, sleek, and makes the room feel less heavy. It creates depth and gives the room layers of interest. And yes, mirrors still play a role. Place one opposite a window, and it'll bounce natural light back into the room. Think of mirrors as your light multipliers, not the main show, but a powerful supporting act. So here's your recipe for transformation. Layer your lighting. Use smart, space-saving fixtures. Play with warm and cool tones to set the mood. Add uplighting, downlighting, and hidden LED strips for a designer touch. And finally, use a well-placed mirror to double the light you've created. Do this and your living room won't just look bigger, it will feel bigger, brighter, and so much more welcoming. Now it's your turn. Try out these ideas and see the difference lighting makes in your home. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more interior design ideas, and share your own lighting transformations in the comments. Because sometimes the right light is all it takes to make your home shine.